If you're someone who is also eager to know what are the digital marketing strategies, then you have just hit the right video. We at Knotsync will help to dive you deep into the world of digital marketing and help you understand what actually a digital marketing strategy is. But before we begin, let us first understand what actually a digital marketing strategy is. A digital marketing strategy is considered to be one of the best online marketing strategies that helps marketers to achieve their organizational goals and objectives. Hence, the year 2022 is considered to be an opportunistic year for all the digital marketers out there. So now, let's begin. Let us know some of the effective digital marketing strategies that you can follow in 2022 and get where you want to be. Number 1. Hosting live events. Hosting live events is considered to be one of the most finest and most successful strategies that your business can follow to help it grow and generate a good lead list. Hosting live events on various social platforms can help you attract new customers and strengthen the existing relationships as well. It is also a good idea to conduct some interactive question and answer sessions that will help you brand grow. Number 2, put emphasis on video content. Given how entertaining the videos are as compared to text, photographs, etc., the trend is going to change anytime soon. Hence, try to make your videos through Reels, IGTVs or even YouTube. It can be a bit costly for you, but you can always set a budget for it. This will help you to target a wider range of audience. Number 3. Voice search is a new SEO battleground. Voice searches are relatively a new concept in the digital marketing strategies, but is expected to grow in 2022. Hence, marketers are expected to optimize their content for voice search in this year. Here's a fact. If your competitors use voice search and you don't, they have a better chance of getting found by the searchers. Do you want that? No, right? So it is better to keep up with your competitors and use your content for voice search. Next we have is location-based marketing. Location-based marketing is also known as geofencing digital marketing. It is a way in which businesses collect users' geographical location and use it to find the search results. For example, the supermarket chain known as Whole Foods uses a location-based marketing. So whenever a customer's phone is detected nearby, they will automatically receive the targeted ads and offers sent by the Whole Foods supermarket. Next we have is diversify your content strategy. If you only create one type of content, you will miss out on the opportunities on the users who would be expecting to get a different type of knowledge. For example, if you create only blogs, you will miss out on the potential clients who would be expecting some email newsletters or social media posts. Next we have in line is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a new in the world of digital marketing. Influencer marketers already have a niche of audience that will be inclined to purchase things that the influencer they follow would promote. For example, if I want to buy a watch, I would obviously follow an influencer who would be promoting it. Hence, my decisions would be manipulated by the influencer who would be promoting the product. Hence, to conclude, the best digital marketing strategies not only helps the business to attract new customers, but also helps them to grow in the long run. Now that's where Knotsync comes into the picture. We provide you with customized digital services that not only helps you grow in the short term, but we also see a growth for you in the long run. So feel free to contact us, or you can also visit our website www.knotsync.com.